In this video, I will compare the speed of Chatgpt and Deepseek. Let's see which AI is faster. Let's start with an easy math question. First, I am giving this math question to Chatgpt. Let's start the timer. Chatgpt gave this question answer in 7 seconds. Now let's see in how many times Deepseek will give answer. I will simply reset the stopwatch. Deepseek gave this question answer in 15 seconds and ChatGPT gave this answer in 7 seconds. So in this case, ChatGPT is faster and takes the lead. Now let's try a medium difficulty math problem. First, I am asking this question to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave this question answer in 4 seconds. Now let's try and DeepSeek. I will reset the stopwatch. DeepSeek given this question answer in 10 seconds. In this case, ChatGPT is faster, while DeepSeek is a little bit slower. However, I like the DeepSeek answer because it shows the step involved. Now let's move on to a more complex equation. First, I am asking this equation to ChatGPT. ChatGPT given this equation answer in 16 seconds. Now let's try with DeepSeek. I will simply reset the stopwatch. DeepSeek given this equation answer in 22 seconds. In this equation, as you can see, ChatGPT once again takes the lead. In my opinion, ChatGPT is faster than DeepSeek. However, when it comes to the quality of answer, I would say DeepSeek provides the best detailed response. So that's it for the video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more comparisons.